If you're like me, you probably use your air fryer all the time, right? But forget to give it a deep clean? Well, today was long overdue. Speaking of Ninja, did you know they're hiring for a remote sales operations analyst? This role focuses on sales performance, data analysis, and improving business processes all from home. They are looking for someone with strong Excel skills, experience in sales operations, or data analysis. If you love working with numbers and want a solid remote job, this could be a great fit. Check out the Ninja's careers page to apply. And don't forget, clean your air fryer.